I'm looking for software developers to join a team that's building world-class custom software for our small business clients in the United States, as well as an innovative software-as-a-service healthcare product used by hospitals, clinics, and physicians in Mexico. My name is Michael Herrick, and I'm the founder and CEO of Matterform, headquartered in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where we solve complex business problems in scheduling and logistics for small and mid-sized U.S. companies. I'm also the CTO of MediCheck, a health tech startup based in Guadalajara, Jalisco. Our electronic health record software is poised to revolutionize healthcare in Mexico, innovating to create happier doctors and healthier patients. We're hiring bilingual software developers working in PHP, JavaScript, and MySQL, working at our Guadalajara office with some work from home options available. I'll share links with current openings, but first I want to talk about the kind of people we're looking for and how our slightly unusual hiring process is going to work. You can read about our US company at matterform.com and our Mexico company at medicheck.mx. You can also easily find info about me and my partners on LinkedIn, and I hope you'll do that. I hope you'll read up on us and decide for yourself if we look like the kind of company that you might want to work for. Now, I'm hiring in Mexico, so why is this video in English? Es para que no hablo español muy bien. Mis socios son tapatíos y estoy en Guadalajara cada mes o cada otra vez. Estoy aprendiendo español y espero que estoy siempre mejorando, pero necesito mucho más práctica antes de que pueda dirigir un equipo tecnológico hablando solo en español. Si trabajas con nosotros cuando estás trabajando con los otros desarrolladores, vas a hablar español, pero en nuestros sprint planning meetings, en nuestros scrum huddles de cada día, cuando yo estoy allí, vamos a hablar en inglés. No es necesario hablar en inglés con clientes y no esperamos inglés perfecto, pero buscamos personas que hablan inglés mejor que yo hablo español. Estamos todos aprendiendo juntos. Now, I mentioned our tech stack, which is PHP, JavaScript, and MySQL. We are very much a data-driven company, so we do a lot of database work. And there are places on our team for people at all stages in their career, for people with all different levels of technical expertise. The most important things I'm looking for are these 4 qualities. First, I look for people who just enjoy making things, people who get a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment out of making something that never existed before. If you feel good when you see a customer using a product that you contributed to, if you feel like putting something new into the world justifies your existence, if creating is what pays your rent on this planet, that's what we do. That means that, second, we want people who put in everything they've got, who take pride in delivering the best, people who geek out about elegant object-oriented design, fast SQL statements, who love the beauty of algorithms and design patterns. I consider programming to be a true art form, and it's not an art form that most people appreciate or even understand. So if you think like us, you'll want to hang out with us just so we can enjoy each other's work. This next one comes third only because I've already hinted at it a couple of times. We're looking for team players. I really mean it. We don't hire rock stars or wizards. We don't want to rely on individual heroics because that just burns people out. Consistent success comes from a team that gets better and better working together. If we get to the interview stage, I'll be asking you to tell me about teams that you've worked on, problems that you've seen, problems that you've solved, methods that you've learned in your career to help your team succeed. Fourth, finally, we're looking for people who love to learn. In a technology business, maybe any business, there's nothing more important. I always have more to learn, and everyone on our team, from the newest CEO, from the newest intern, right up to our fairly new CEO, they'll all tell you the same. We all need to learn and keep on learning from each other. I can promise that you will learn a lot if you join our team. I had a programmer tell me once that he learned more 2 years on my team than he learned getting a 4-year computer science degree from a technical university. Now, if that idea excites you, I hope you'll contact us. If you like creating new things, if you're committed to giving your best work, if you want to join a team and always be learning, please take the next step. But it might not be what you're used to. Do not send me a resume. I'm very serious about that. I do not want to see your resume, and I will not read your resume. I am embedding a link to a short intake questionnaire about current openings. It takes about 10 minutes. There's an optional field where you can write one paragraph about anything you want. Some positions also require a longer general skills test, and some high-level programming positions require a programming challenge. You'll see those links if they're relevant to your position. The next step will be scheduling a video interview, so be prepared with a decent camera set up in a quiet location, probably not a coffee shop, and then an in-person interview with the team in Guadalajara. We're going to move fast, we'll make decisions fast. If at any time you don't make the cut to the next stage in the process, it just means we're not ready right now for what you're offering. If that happens, I promise we'll inform you promptly. We won't waste your time. And if you like, be happy to keep your info on file in case another position opens up where you might be a better fit. I'm striving to build the best team I can, to build the best possible software for our users. So again, please read up on our companies, Matterform and Medicheck, and if you think you can help us out, please reach out. Many thanks and muchas gracias.